Well, it's a few days later now. April 30th, I think, is the date, 2024. Got to mow the front. It's spring and that kind of, you got to do these things. I'm not going crazy today. It's just one of these, it looks like crap, let me get it done, because I have to open the sprinklers. If you haven't already seen that video, there's a link in the prescription. We're of course going to use the new mower, the Yard Force YNFS1S Elemental P. There's whatever gas left in it. Oh, a lot of people say, oh, change the oil. Make sure you change the oil real quick. Change it, you know, change it. It's a new engine. You want to make sure you change it. This engine has had about 25 minutes of runtime on it from when I mowed the lawn in the back. That's it. It's not time. 25 minutes, not hours, minutes. Where is the level? It's right up to the mark. I mean, you know, what else would you expect? Bear in mind that with the new engine, it's going to eat gas and also burn some oil until them rings get seated in there, that kind of stuff. So anyway, we should be pretty much good to go. There's a Julio going past on his riding lawnmower, but I got to do mine myself. That's nice. So we got Earl. We have gas enough. Should start it. Am I going to run out of gas? Probably. I don't know. I don't have much left. So we'll put our Dead Man Defeat on. This is a scary thing because I just watched this morning. Tollboy had a video on starting his lawnmower, which is from 2005. So that's lived 19 years. And it started on like the second or third pull. So that was good. And XJO81X mowed his lawn as well. And that was 2 or 3 pulls, whatever it was. No, the Tollboy's was 1 pull, wonder, and the rest. But I watched Joe mow his lawn, and he likes to bag it. I don't know. I don't do that kind. Having to stop down, because you got to remember that I always came from a family of shitty mowers all throughout. First mower I had was, there's a link in the prescription to that. The old mower bad primer bulb, or maybe even 2 videos, whatever, you'll watch them. I hope, because that helps the channel. You know, that's kind of the idea. If you're a lawnmower twerp, that kind of thing. So anyway, I had that. It came with the house. First time I ever started that, right after I moved in, that thing smoked like a banshee for 10 minutes. The entire block was smoked out. It was great. And then it never did that again. But it always had the old Bluick syndrome. Where, because I bagged on that one because it wasn't a mulching mower. So then what would happen is you think of the old ladies at the supermarket back in the 80s, and they hop in their Bluicks and they turn the key and it cranks and cranks and cranks and cranks, and then some guy's got to come out and put a pen in the carbonator to keep the choke open and that kind of stuff and whatever, and then she gets raped at the mechanic because her husband passed away and she's Dolores, the old coupon lady. So instead of that, that's what I had with the old Murray, where I had to pull the rope, pull the rope, pull the rope, pull the rope, and it was like 16 pulls, then it would run again, and you were lucky you could finish the lawn. With the other mower, the Yard Man, the green and yellow one, that took half a day to get running, and then it was usually good if I needed to restart it, but it was a mulching one, so I just left it running. Enough chit-chat. Let's go and mow the lawn. I'm going to speed up the footage. We'll put the stupid copyright-free music, all that great shit. We got a couple of cars going by, and this better be a one-pull wonder. So we're ready to go. We're all set. And I'm going to start at the far end of the lawn. We'll just roll it over a couple times. She's got compression. I want to give it one more. I don't like that. I don't like that sound. I feel it too. All right, let's give her. I never had a mower that worked properly. It was nice while it lasted. Oh, they don't make them like they used to. That in the edger. Well, They say never run your car down past a quarter of a tank. It'll burn out the fuel pump, and then you got to take out your back seat and pay a mechanic like me to go and put in a new fuel pump on these Toyotas. They're really good. You know, wait, I need my keys jangling. They're really good cars, but you gotta, you know, change the oil regularly and all kinds of things. Okay. The nice thing is I don't have to pull on the stupid handle up here. We don't need to check the oil because it's still got some. And with any luck, it'll just restart. Now again, I'm gonna just roll it over just to get some gas in the carbonator. You never know. Okay. Oh, you want to play games, huh? There we go. Just needed some fuel in the carbonator. Well. Almost had enough gas. That's too bad. That is just too bad that it didn't pan out that way. But it's got a nice full tank. It's easy to maneuver. Can I fit the rest of the gas in there? Maybe. Almost. Just a tiny bit left. Damn it. Well, you know, got to be christened at one, one point or another. I got a wreck. Also going to hose it down later on. Let the grass cake on for a bit first. Because for now, I'm going to just put this to the side. I don't need to mow anymore, but I am going to open the in-ground sprinklers, and that will, I don't know if I feel like charging up the hose reels today or not, but I'm going to have to, I got to do something, clean it up because it doesn't look good. So we'll fix that up, no problem. And meanwhile, you've already seen opening the sprinklers. If you didn't, there's a link in the prescription. So, pretty painless mowing. That really wasn't bad. I like it not having to run the weed whacker, because that's what kills my back. This wasn't too bad. Anyway, that's going to do it. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.